Hello and welcome. Today, I want to share with you the top 6 reasons why signing up for an HVAC service agreement can be incredibly beneficial for you and your home. Reason number 1, company notifications. With a service agreement, we take care of tracking your maintenance schedule. You'll receive timely reminders and notifications, ensuring you never miss a crucial service. This gives you peace of mind, knowing your HVAC system is always well maintained. Reason number 2, extend the life of your HVAC system. Regular maintenance checks and servicing can significantly extend your system's lifespan. Our expert technicians will ensure your system operates efficiently, preventing wear and tear that could lead to early failure. Reason number 3, extend energy efficiency. A well-maintained HVAC system runs more efficiently, saving you money on energy bills. With our service agreement, your system will always be optimized for peak performance, reducing energy consumption and your carbon footprint. Reason number 4, prevent unplanned breakdowns. Preventative maintenance helps identify and fix potential issues before they become major problems. Our regular inspections and tune-ups reduce the risk of the unexpected breakdowns, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Reason number 5, warranty compliance. Many HVAC manufacturers require regular maintenance to keep warranties valid. Our service agreements include the necessary inspections and documentation to ensure your system remains under warranty, protecting your investment. Reason number 6, perks for preferred maintenance customers. As a preferred maintenance customer, you'll enjoy exclusive perks like priority service, discounts on repairs and replacements, and special offers. We aim to provide you with exceptional value and top-notch service. In conclusion, signing up for an HVAC service agreement offers numerous benefits that enhance your system's performance, extend its lifespan, and provide you with peace of mind. Don't wait. Sign up today and start enjoying these advantages. Just click the button below and answer a few short questions and join the hundreds of your neighbours who are protected with a dynamic Air Care Preferred Customer Preventive Maintenance Agreement. Do it today.